Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best baby activity centers that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Skip Hop. Skip Hop is one of the best manufacturers of baby products. Their products are always of the best quality. Skip Hop 3-Stage Grow With Me Baby Activity Center is a 2-in-1 product. You may use it as a baby activity center and then turn it into a strong table as your child grows. The seat rotates 360 degrees and expands for bouncing, as well as toy loops for attaching toys. Babies can see their feet via the Discovery window, which promotes spatial awareness and teaches cause and effect. This trendy activity center, which turns into a PlayStation and ultimately a toddler table, is a hit with both parents and newborns. The swiveling, swaying devices, as well as the electronic piano that lights up and plays melodies when children hit this with their hands and feet, are favorites among children. You can adjust the foot platform as per your baby's height. The activity center's bright but not too bright colors, as well as the fact that it may be used for a long time, are appreciated by parents. At number 4. Fisher-Price. Fisher Rainforest Price's Jumperoo is a ton of fun. Babies may jump, and jump all day long while being engaged in jungle-themed games like a peekaboo tiger and an elephant. You can easily adjust the height when your baby grows. The seat rotates 360 degrees to continue to take it all in, and it can be changed to 3 different heights to allow them to move around while they develop. It's fantastic for getting them to move, activating their senses, and, most importantly, having fun. For each and every jump, the baby is rewarded with music, lights, and fascinating sounds. There's something interesting to do wherever your baby explorer looks. It is made mostly of plastic and metal, and it is simple to clean. To get rid of bacteria and sticky residue left by little fingers, a moist towel or disinfecting wipe could be used for a fast once-over. You can wash it in the machine also. The vision, auditory, and tactile skills of your infant are stimulated by bright colors, lights, and a range of sounds and sensations. The Fisher-Price Rainforest Jumperoo is a safe and practical way to keep a supported sitting toddler entertained. At number 3. Summer Infant. Summer Infant Baby Seat is a budget-friendly baby seat for your child. It will be a good seat for your baby from 4 months to 4 years. You can use this in 3 ways and in 3 stages. When your child can keep his or her head up unsupported, you can use an infant supporter seat position with a soft foam insert to provide a safe environment for him or her. In the second stage, the activity seat doubles as a play seat for your youngster, featuring a 360-degree rotatable tray and a soft toy bar featuring plush toys. As your child develops, the seat positioner can be converted to a booster seat. It comes with built-in chair straps that make it easy to attach it to a chair so your child can dine at the table. To make room for your developing youngster, the soft foam insert may be removed. As it is lightweight, it is ideal for use at home or as a portable feeding seat for youngsters up to the age of 4. At number 2. Summer Infant. Are you a parent who needs the best portable baby activity center because you travel a lot with your kid? If yes, then Summer Pop and Jump is the best baby activity center for you. It is a favorite for parents who want to enjoy the summer. It's compact and lightweight so that you can carry it to the shore, park, or even your own backyard. This activity center also has a UV canopy on top to protect the infant from the sun's ultraviolet rays. It comes with the jumper seat in the center, surrounded by toys. It also includes a useful travel bag. The space-saving portable jumper is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The special feature of this baby activity center is it has 3 degrees of height adjustment to allow the baby to grow with it. Also, it comes with a removable canopy also. The lightweight pop and jump sets up quickly and easily and folds up into the provided travel bag with a shoulder strap due to its clever pop and fold design. At number 1. Even Flow. Even Flow is a famous brand in the kids' world. They are manufacturing products with good quality. It has more than 65 types of exercises available on the top, while a smooth bounce base at the bottom gives the proper cushioning for all that hopping. It may be adjusted to 3 different heights, as well as the seat pad can be easily removed for cleaning. Some of the toys are also detachable, allowing for play on the ground. Smart electronic toys communicate with one another, presenting babies with colorful lights and sounds from 3 different musical genres. The baby can exercise his legs while still being amused by the extra jump. When your baby reaches the age of 4 months, you can begin using a baby activity center. The weight limit for using this baby activity center is 24 pounds. The disadvantage of this product is you cannot clean it in the machine. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.